This is John Black, Super Chemist. Just doing a BS video. I'll be back doing stuff in another couple weeks, but these are my log picks. This is my rake pick. Let's see. Yeah, this end is different. It's a diamond tip. See how it has like the triangle? I like this one the best, actually. This one I hate the most. It's like just has a ball at the end. I don't know what they call that. And then you got your hook. Just got a hook at the end. I like this hook and the diamond pick. That's when you're using your skill. I also like the rake, and when you can't get a lock and you know, every 5 minutes or so you use your rake. You're just jamming in and out. You're just hoping for luck. These are my tension wrenches. They're pretty much all the same. This one, see how it has a twisty thing in there? Oh, you can see that it's bent like. That gives it more flexibility, which makes it better. That's my next best one. See how this one doesn't have that? Now this one's even the better one. It has a twist and it's longer. Look at the lengths of these. I'll move that out. These are at the. Let me get them together. See, this one is a lot longer. The longer it is, the more tension you can. You know, on TV, sometimes there'll be idiots and they'll just use someone jamming in one thing into a keyhole and they pick it. You can't. No one on the planet can pick a lock with one tool. You need two tools. A tension wrench, like this. This is a nice one. I like this. It's nice and long. Gives a lot of tension. So I got about 4 of those. I got 4 picks. I got a couple of these tweezer type deals. What I got to help me start out with was this. This is a lock, you can see, but it's encased in plastic, so you can see the tumblers. See, there's the tumblers there. Let me put a pick in there, and I'll push one of the tumblers up. But this way, when you're practicing, you can see exactly where it needs to be. Because watch when I pick that. Let me get it closer. See right there how there's a. Here I have it exactly. That's exactly where you need to have it, so that when you turn it, that split. See that split there? It's a little bit above. Pulled it up. See there? That way, if you don't have it there, right, the rods is blocking. You can't turn the thing inside. See, let's look at the second one. See, I'll put exactly where it needs to go. See right there. But you can see what's going on in practice. See right there? That's exactly where it goes. And you can practice on, see there? I'll put exactly where it goes. Right. And the last one, see it? You should put it right there. Now, if I put tension on there, then that'll keep it there, and I can move to the next one and get it where it goes. Put tension on there, and get to the third one, fourth one, fifth one. This is nice. It's kind of terrible unless you put it in a vise, though, because holding it and doing this, but it does give you good practice. And you can carry it around with you, you know what I mean? Keep in mind, lockpicks are illegal in some states to even carry around with you, unless you're a lockpick guy, you know what I mean? It is a felony, so watch what you do if you buy any lockpicks or make any lockpicks. Also here I should have used these blanks. Here, watch, I'll show you on this. See, here's the blanks, so I can pull them all up exactly the same height. I'm not getting a good. There we go. See where the lines are? And then I got a good key that actually opens it. And you'll see if the key lines up with those holes, with those thing. Look, see how they all line up to those thingies? I'm not doing it right, but see, if I could do it better, you'd see that the keys line up to. So if you see a key, it's a lot easier to pick a lock when you see a key because you can tell. See, I got the points written on there. You can see the combination. The combination is a little up, a little down, a little up, down, up. You know what I'm saying? So, also got this stuff. Locky, so you got the thing you can squirt in case your lock is real, in case it's real tight, you know what I mean? I got some of this too. Graphite lubricant. You can blow it into the keyhole. You know, you get a stiff lock. And the last thing I got to show you is this. See that? That's a vibrator. No, I'm just joking. It does take batteries, OC batteries. It's a electronic lock pick. You can see right here, you got this thing here to adjust stuff. And I got a bunch of these. I put it on here. I mean, yeah, wait. Alright. See, then you got a button here. See that button? If I had batteries, I'd show you, but basically it just flaps up and down, 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 up and down. And, you know, since it does it so fast, you're basically just doing it by luck. But since it's faster than you know what I mean, you get a lot more guesses at it, you know what I mean? So it's a lot easier. This comes apart. Then you can put batteries in there. And you see how big it is compared to my hand or whatever. It's giant. Yeah, but it is nice. Picks it nice. I think that's all I got here. Basically what I did was I took the tumblers out. See, here's a lock right here. See that? I took the whole cylinder out, and then you could take the pins out. You know what I mean? And instead of having 5 pins, I only have 1 pin. Right? See how here? You got your pins. Take 4 pins out and start with 1. Just to see, I know it sounds stupid, you're only going to do it for 5 minutes before you get bored. Then put 2 of them in there. And you might do that for 15 minutes and start getting bored because it's easy too. But I suggest you do it for an hour. Then you put 3 tumblers in. Now it's going to take you some time. Might take you, might take you a second, you know what I mean? But to do it over and over, especially when you don't know how big the tumblers are, what I did was I got a whole bunch of locks and took all the tumblers out, put them in a big cup, and then I randomly picked them out without looking at them and put them in so that I didn't know what the combination was, how long one was and how short one was. And I worked my way up to 4. 1, 2 is ridiculous, but you should do it anyway. 3 tumblers is, it's easy too, but, it might take a second or two. If you're new, I suggest you do it. 4, now you're getting tough, okay? Now you're going to need the whatever. I suggest you keep doing 4s for a while, because 5s are almost impossible. But if you get good at 4s, then 5 tumblers, even though it's a lot harder than 4, it'll help, let me tell you. Then when you get to 5, then when you're on 5s, you can start taking these, because you can't get the tumblers out of these without breaking them. door handles. You only get them out of like the deadlock type things. So you can collect these door handle thingies. Even though you can't change the tumblers, you don't care because there's 5 of them in there. I have a door that I just have like 6 of these on, and I got 6 of these other ones on them that I can change the tumblers. And I just practice every day for a couple hours a day. Do that for a year on 5 tumblers, and you'll be able to pick locks. Anyways, always remember, science is great, and I will be back. I'm going to start in the next couple weeks doing BS videos for maybe a month and finish up that, making that toluic acid, and then do a decarboxylation on that so that I can make the methylbenzene or toluene, whatever you want to call it. I got to finish that at least. And everyone have a great day.